Hi everybody, this is Tirupati Reddy, Faculty of Social Studies. Today I am taking the class about civil rights movement. Civil rights movement which took place in America in the year 1954 to 68. What are the civil rights? There were many rights there. People were discriminating based on their race, color, religion, sex, national origin. But here we can see mainly color discrimination. We can see in different countries. If you go to South Africa, the color discrimination is called as apartheid. The same way in America also the color discrimination was there in the year 54 to 68. Not only in that year, at present in the year 2020, one of the black person was killed by white police. By that there were many riots were started in the year 2020. See, the total society was updated, modernized, even though in this age the again we are seeing the discrimination of people based on their color, discrimination of people based on their color. So at that time in the year 1954 to 68 there was a lot of discrimination towards blacks by white people. See here, these are the black people, they totally black, these based on their color they were discriminated. Then against discrimination they led the movement that they said we shall overcome all these problems. By that they led the movement in peaceful manner. Okay, this is the civil rights movement. Mainly we can see personalities Martin Luther King and Malcolm Ten are the famous personalities fought against this color discrimination, black race also color discrimination. See, there were many movements against it. They fought for equal rights. In what way they were discriminated? Not only based on color, where in schools they have segregated in their schools also, they are segregated in their buses also, they are allotted separate buses. If the same bus they were allotted separate seats to them, and in public places, and in appointments, in housing, in voting rights, everywhere they were discriminated based on their color. But Martin Luther King have given a call for to boycott the buses by the blacks. All the black people started boycotting buses. When they started boycotting buses, then total the transport company was getting losses in the year 1956. They segregated schools also, separate schools for blacks and white children. See how pity it is, based on the color, judging them based on the color, sex, all these things. So it is very bad. To get equal rights, these people started fighting. You see many movements. This is a fellow Martin Luther King who fought against this color discrimination, who gave call for boycotting buses, boycotting schools, and when they boycotted buses they get lost. This is the apartheid which led the movement in Africa. Same, this is also color discrimination in South Africa. You can see South Africa here. Okay, the same way they were holded placards, no justice, no peace. Now at the present moment also in America the riots are going on. Almost 20 of the cities took place these riots. So nowadays the communication spreading very fast. By that all people come out of the roads, all the blacks, and they raised voice against the whites. You see the pictures. Stop killing black people. No justice, no peace. Okay, and blacks also matter, values. Okay, in such a way they are holding placards. He is Mr. Martin Luther King. And in South Africa, there is one more fellow, Nelson Mandela, who fought against color discrimination. in peaceful manner. Whatever the movement, the civil rights movement led peaceful manner. They were inspired from Mahatma Gandhi, even though they were allotted separate buses for them. See, this bus only for non-whites, not for now. They won't allow blacks in this bus. And even though cinema theaters you can see, Rex Theater for only colored people. See, in this way, the segregation of all these things, buses, cinema theaters, schools, everything. This is known as color discrimination. This is in South Africa, Nelson Mandela. And you can see the riots now at present in America. They started looting all the stores, malls, everything, attacking the stores and malls, looting the goods. See the riots, how it is going on. They are throwing bombs. Very violently it is going. Then Trump ordered army to attack them and to control these all riots in the America. See, this is the way at present also this discrimination is going on. So, children, you can see at the time in the year 1964 only Civil Rights Act was passed in America. What they have passed 1964. So, the integrated education where blacks and whites studied togetherly, and all these acts discrimination was removed where blacks and whites can go in same bus. In that way, because of this Martin Luther King, government came forward and passed the bill Civil Rights Act in the year 1964. So by that, with non-violence only, they have achieved their goal. So even though there were many women were participated, black women, even though their voice was not being heard by them. So they also asked for women equality, again gender equality in that Washington. So gender equality, color equality, totally these are the rights called as civil rights. In America, the famous leader Martin Luther King, who gave call boycotting all the buses and schools, everything, at last he has given a speech that one day there will be the day the color of their skin not judge the people, but their content of their character will judge the people. Oh, he has the children may not judge the color of their skin, but by the content of their character, they should be judged, not by the color. Thank you. This is the civil rights movement which were took place and now it is going on in America. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.